Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another interesting video. So dear fans, today I have bring another amazing project that can really help to make a lot of profit. So I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project. So don't skip any part of this video. Before going to start further review, I would request you if you are new on my YouTube channel Cryptosonic, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So dear friends, I have placed link in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and join this amazing platform. Dear friends, today I am introducing 5math. So dear friends, first of all we learn how can we get registered an account. So dear friends, you need to enter your account name. It must be a minimum 6 and the maximum 16 characters. There is no space allowed is here. So then you need to enter your password and you need to select your area code according to your country, and then you need to enter your mobile number, email, and then recommendation code. And you can also find out my recommendation code in my video description, and you can put it here and then simply click on the registered button. So it is very easy way to get registered. So I have already created my account, so I am going to log in. So here we need to enter our account name, password, and verification code. So dear friends, as you can see that I have entered my all information here. Now we need to click on the login. So dear friends, you can also check the login is successful, and you can also create your account here. It is very easy way. So first of all, we can check out the latest announcement. New user will receive $5 for their first deposit of more than $100, and if you deposit more than 500, you can easily get $20, and you can also deposit more than 2000 and get 80 USDT as well. So here you can also check out the newbie benefit, and you can also deposit a lot of and get a lot of profit here as well. So here you can also check out more information, and you can also consult Telegram customer service and get help here as well. So this is the first interface. You can also check out the interface is very user friendly and easily you can understand, and you can check out the introduction of the platform. Now you can also deposit, withdraw, share your friend, invite their friends, and get a lot of profit. And you can also make your team as well. So dear friends, here we can also check out the there are two type of accounts, like the smarter account and wallet account, and I will explain each and everything here. You can also get help center as well, and you can also check out the instant codes like that. You can also check out the top exchange like that, Binance, OKX, Hobby, and Coinbase. And you can also check out the most popular cryptocurrency with USDT pair, and you can also check out their current price, and you can also check out the rise and fall as well. So I will tell you with the comparison of the exchange that how can you make a lot of profit with 5math.com as well. So here on 5math.info we can get a lot of information related to this amazing project, and now you can become new user and get 8,888 USDT boost profits one click with 5math AI platforms. Automatic trading crypto, daily income, and high of yield, secure and no limit withdraw as well. So unleashing unparalleled trading benefit with rewards and opportunity to revolutionize your experience on the 5math AI platform. Now you can also start making money through this amazing platform. So here we can also check out the services that are offered by 5math. So here you can also do automatic trading. The intelligence trading system can automatically identify, make trends, and conduct trading activity, and data analysis capability and artificial intelligence technology are using here. And you can also check out the real-time monitoring. The intelligence trading system can continuously track market condition in real time and adjust trading strategy to respond to of the fluctuations as well. Here you can also learn more information. The 5math platform has established long-term and stable strategic partnership with a number of international cryptocurrency exchanges. So I will explain related to exchange. I will tell you the comparison as well. Here is the question that why we should choose 5math. So emotionless decision making. So one of the key advantage of AI here, you can also check out the touch archicad as well, and you can also get a lot of other advanced data analysis and pattern recognition here, and to get work easily and make a lot of profit as well. Now you can also download app from download on App Store, as well as it is available on Google Play Store. You can choose anyone and you can get it right now. So dear friends, here I am in Binance wallet, and you can also check out the BTC with USDT pair, and you can also check out the current price is $71,198. You can also check out, and you can also analyze price chart. So the AI system can easily identify these ups and downs, and it will buy the order when it will be goes down, and it will sell out automatically when it goes up, and it can conduct and book a profit for you as well. You can also comparison and match the amount of any exchange like that, Binance, OKX, Coinbase, and other one as well. So dear friends, here on 5math.com you can also check out and comparison the price in Binance like that, $71,129.8 as well. So you can also check out a lot of cryptocurrency exchange with USDT pair. You can also verify, check out comparison on OKX, Huobi, and Coinbase as well. So now let's check out how can we make money here. So first of all, we need to deposit amount here. So simply click on the deposit button. So here we need to transfer to wallet account as well, and we can deposit here. Dear friends, you need to choose any cryptocurrency in which you want to be deposit like that, BIP20 USDT, TRC20, ERC20 USDT. You can also do a deposit BNB, Ethereum, or TRX. So here I am going to choose my BIP20 address. So first, so click on it, and you can also scan QRC code to send payment, and we can also copy the address here, and we can send payment. We can deposit 22 minimum USDT here. So let's check out how can we deposit amount here. So dear friends, here you can also check out that once again I am in Binance, and let's check out. So simply click on the withdraw button, and here we need to choose USDT and send view crypto network, and here we need to paste address which we have copied from 5math as well. So we check out the automatic network BIP20, and we need to enter the amount how much we want to be deposit here. So here I am pasting address, and now let's check out, it is selected. Now we need to select the address like that, BIP20, and dear friends, here we need to enter amount how much you want to be deposit like that. I am choosing 23, so it will be goes 22.67 and 0.33 USDT will be cut off as a network fees. And then we need to simply click on the withdraw button, and first we confirm the order here. So it is very easy way to deposit amount here and start quantified trading and get a lot of profit as well. So dear friends, here you can also check that order is successful placed here for the withdrawal, and we need to verify with passkey, and we can easily deposit our amount here as well. So I have do my fingerprints here, and now you can also check withdrawal processing is here. So dear friends, here you can also check that withdrawal is successful, and you can also check out 22.67 USDT successfully transferred to 5math account. Now let's check out in 5math.com. So dear friends, here you can also check out the message. So recharge has arrived here, and I have recharged 22.67 USDT. You can also check out the date and time as well. So now let's check out my total balance is here. You can also check 8,938.67 USDT, and you can also check out the transactions detail as well. Now let's check out how can we invest and make a lot of profit. So here we can also check out the quantify details. So you can also check out the board 3.0 current yield is 1.40 to 1.60%, and we can also quantizations time UK time after 8:40 as every day we can also start to quantify, and today's remaining quantifies transaction is 1, and you can also start to quantify. Here you can also check it is started, and we can also start quantify and make a lot of profit. So you can also check that quantify run panel process start performing quantizations as well. You can also start like this, and you can also make a lot of profit. So the quantify estimated time is 1 to 2 minutes as well. Now you can also do right now, and you can also make a lot of profit. And dear friends, you can easily withdraw your amount once you make a profit here as well. So here you can also check the start executions buy order and start execution sell order. So it is choosing the best exchange where it will get the lowest price, and then it will sell out where he will get a very bullish or pump here. Now you can also check the start start capturing trading market prices, and it is going to analyze and start distributions commission, and then you will be able to get your profit right here. So the operations completed, ending here. Now you can also check it is doing very cleverly with AI as well. You can also check out it is invested in Doge currency and execution position 50.67, and you can also check out the buy platform is Bitmart, and you can also check out the buying price and sales price and selling price as well. Now we have get the profit 0.7687 as well. Right, that you can also start quantization and make a lot of profit here as well. So here you can also check out the balance as well, and we can also invest in other. Here you can also check out the other thing where we can invest here, like that we can choose boot X, boot 3.0, boot 3.5, boot 3.8 something. You can also check out. You can also check out the deposit quantity as well. You can also check out the quantity as well and daily profit as well. So we have done our boot 3.0 and we have get profit here. Now we can also check out that how can we make withdrawal here. So it is very easy way to get withdrawal here as well. So you can also check all information. Once again, you can also check out that we can get income $0.76 in our account as well. So here let's check out how can we make withdrawal. So dear friends, you can also check out that income has arrived and also recharge have arrived. So simply click on the withdrawal button, and here we can also check that our withdrawal balance is 23.43 USDT, and we can deposit here because it allow withdrawal. And you can also check all information, and you need to enter your withdrawal amount, how much you want to be withdrawal. So here I am putting my all amount, like that I have 23.43. so here we need to click enter our amount, how much we want. So click on the withdraw. So choose withdrawal account in which we want to be withdrawal. So here we can click on it and add digital currency wallet. So here we need to add our digital wallet, like that TRC20 and starting with T 34 digit, and then enter our password and confirm password and click on continue. So here I have put my wallet address, password, and click on the confirm button. You can also check out that here is successful done. We can now choose digital currency wallet here, and like that this one, and here we can enter your wallet amount, how much you want to be withdrawal, like 23.43, and we can also check out all information here. Once again, we need to enter our password here. So let's check out. So here I have entered my password, and now click on the withdrawal button, and here we can also check out the verification notice, and we can please enter Telegram to customer service and then send your invitation code, apply for the withdrawal functions of your account, and it will be automatically credited to your account after activation as well. So dear friends, this is the official customer service in Telegram. You can easily come here and you can contact and you can activate your withdrawal here. You can also check that they have ask me some for basic information, and then the account is successfully available and activate to withdraw cash as well. Now once again try to withdraw. So click on choose withdrawal account, and here we already select account. We need to enter the withdrawal amount, like that 23.43, and then we need to enter our password, and then we can easily withdraw our amount here. So like that I have entered my all information here. Now click on withdrawal, and you can also check that our withdrawal is successful now. Right, you can easily withdraw. You can also check out the transactions detail is here, and I will show you the all information and receipt of payment as well. So dear friends, here you can also check out the payment proof as well. So I have already get payment in my Binance wallet. You can also check out the address, and you can also check out the date and time, and you can also check out the payment 23.1957 as well. So I have already show you my payment proof. I have get payment instant here. Now dear friends, you can also invite your friend, and you can also make a lot of profit. So click on the share friends, and here you can also check out, you can scan QRC code, or you can also copy the invitation link. You can share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, and YouTube, and you can also get a lot of invitation reward here as well. So this is an amazing project that can really help you make a lot of profit. And dear friends, you can also get anytime here. You can also get your instant customer support here, and you can make a lot of profit here. So do your own research and make your invest here, make a lot of profit here, and share with your friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.